Hello YouTube. Today I am going to tie this foam cicada. This one happens to have orange legs. I like to tie them with purple as well. We'll be using purple today. We'll start off by using a Umpqua size 10 standard dry fly hook. I'm going to lock it in there pretty tight. We're going to be pulling pretty tight with the foam, so it needs to be locked in pretty good. We'll also need a strip of purple floss. I like this Danville's. I'm going to use some black dry fly dubbing. Make a little dubbing noodle on your line, on your thread. Add a little more on there. Want to stop just a little bit, maybe more than halfway up the hook shank. We'll take our purple floss, make a segmented rib section with it. And we'll need a foam body. I make these are a 2mm foam. I use a River Road Creations cutter and cut the bodies. So we'll kind of measure and see where we want it. It needs to extend past the back of the hook there. You want to be careful. You got to pull it tight, but you want to be careful not to break your thread. Wrap it a little farther forward. Just keep tightening it down. And I like to put some polar flash for a wing case. Give it a little more flash. Tie that in there. We'll trim this up a little more later. Also, we'll take a clump of white EP fibers. We'll also tie those in here as well. We'll get some more dubbing. Put a little more on there. We'll fold our foam over. So make a few loose wraps. Each wrap, try to make it a little tighter so you don't break your thread. We'll cut our foam off. And then we'll cut our wing case off. We want it to be right at the back of the fly, maybe a little farther back. Cut it off right about there. Now we'll need some legs. For the legs, I'm using size medium, purple and black barred rubber legs. I also add a second set of legs because I like the extra movement. For the second set of legs, we're going to use black flex floss. And then we'll tie a whip finish on it. Going in between the legs. Pull it nice and snug. Trim our thread off. Now we just need to trim the legs, make them nice and even and uniform. And there we have it. That's the foam cicada. I'm by no means an expert fly tyer. This is just what works for me, and I wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.